Hi, I'm Erica, and today I'm working my Avery mini binder documenting week 37. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I document a little bit differently. But today I'm using Ali Edwards Stories by the Month September kit, and as you can see, the width, it goes a little bit over the edges of the page. My Avery mini binder fits pages that are 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. So I usually do have to cut off the excess, but I end up with scraps that I can get creative with later, so it's not a problem. I am working some ephemera as well as some stamps that are not Ali Edwards, just to kind of round out the spread. So basically how this works for me is I have to usually cut up the 3x4 cards and the 4x6 cards that come with the Stories by the Month kit, just kind of reformat it to fit my pages. So as you can see, there was a hole in that gingham paper. I used it for the previous week 36, and I was still able to use it on this page, which I love. I love using all of my scraps to the best of my ability. Now, as you can see, I adhered some headings that say right now looks like, right now tastes like, and right now sounds like. And they actually came with the 3x4 cards with the rainbow trim on the bottom left. So as you can see, I just cut everything apart and try to see how I can best reformat it. These stamps are from Feed Your Craft, the alpha stamps as well. The tiny alpha stamps that I stamped on the right page are from Close to My Heart. I think they're super, super cute. And it just says, I'm currently learning flexibility, self-improvement, patience, presence, and gratitude, which I think are really, really big themes for me right now. And finishing it off with these cute little tea mugs from Feed Your Craft. And that's it. It's a pretty quick spread, comes together pretty quickly, and it's not exactly Project Life, but I've made it my own. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and most of all, I hope I brought you a little bit of inspiration today. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!